Good morning, room service. Angel speaking. How may I help you?
Good morning. I would like to order a meal for breakfast.
Sure, ma'am. Can I get your name and room number, please?
Of course, my name is Isel Tejedo and my room number is 209.
Thank you very much, Miss Tejedo. Can I get your order?
I would like to order omelets, bacon, and a cup of coffee.
Perfect choice, ma'am. May I suggest adding a side of freshly baked pastries or a fruit platter to complement your breakfast?
That sounds great. I'll add the fruit platter, please.
Wonderful choice, ma'am. Your order of omelette, bacon, a cup of coffee, and a fruit platter will be prepared and delivered to your room in 20 minutes. Is there anything else I can assist you with today, ma'am?
No, that's all.
Okay, ma'am. How would you like to settle your account? Would you like to pay in cash, debit card, or credit card?
I will pay cash, please.
Thank you for letting us know. Your total amount for the breakfast order will be 349 pesos. May I know how much is your payment, ma'am?
My money is 500 pesos.
Okay, ma'am. Your change will be provided upon delivery. Thank you and have a nice day. Good morning. This is Angel from room service. May I enter, ma'am? Where would you like to place your breakfast, ma'am?
On the table, please.
Certainly, ma'am. I wait for a second and I will just get your order. Here's your food, ma'am. This is your omelette, bacon, and a fruit of platter. Would you like me to pour some water for you, ma'am?
Yes, please.
Here you go, ma'am. Enjoy your meal and please let me know and if you need anything else, ma'am. Have a lovely day. Good morning, ma'am. Here is your change and receipt for your breakfast order.